Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-Flex CAD training course, and the topic for today will be the cut bisection. This command cuts a 3D body or some portions of it in or two new bodies or in two splits, two halves. This can be applied either to solids or sheet bodies, and the result will be something of the same type as the originals. I have a couple of examples to see different possibilities to work with this command. And for the first one, I have this cube with a hole in the middle. I have created one work plan crossing the part in the middle in 45 degrees. And to execute the command, so 3D model menu, group advanced, and I have this function here, call it cut. So cut simply choose the solid or the body and choose the profile, which in this particular case can be my work plan. So this guy here, and the arrows will show the side where which we will retain in our working area. So this is very simple, and this is the first example. We can make this kind of example also instead of splitting the solid and disappearing with one half. We can split this in two. So I will create a new work plan. So for example, like this one, and now executing the cut. So choose this solid, choosing the work plan, okay, this guy here, and activating this function to separate into two solids. So confirm, and what you have now, I have, for some reason, I have one more solid. Okay, this one probably it's a mistake. So let us hide this one. And if you see, I have one body that is half and another one the other half. Okay, so very easy. I can have also this thing with surfaces, and you see that I have two solids. So this is a round face, so it's a little different from what we had in the previous two examples. So cut, body to cut, so this one here, and then choosing surface, this surface here, and the side that will continue. So do it, and you see, okay, this guy here, it's a cut because I had the function activated with two cuts. Let us do it again. So body, take this out now, surface, retain to the top, and clear. Very easy, also very clean. Finally, another example by a set of faces. The principle here is the same, so I have two solids intersecting. So again, cut, the solid to cut is this one, and the set of faces, instead of only one, we can choose multiple, and pointing out, which is the area that I want to retain, so simply execute, and okay, you see now it is cut. Okay, so these are a couple of examples, I think very easy, that show what you can obtain with this cut bisection. Any questions, any other examples that you may have, so contact us and we will support you according to whatever you may need.